The Ebola virus is spreading far and fast. Doctors are struggling to catch up. As the days go by, more deaths are recorded. The recent outbreak of the Bundibugyo strain in the Democratic Republic of the Congo began in Ituri province in the northeastern part of the country. Cases were then detected in North Kivu below, and now more confirmed in South Kivu. The highly contagious virus can take weeks to detect, meaning the crisis could be far worse than current records suggest.
I think the WHO is now into the many hundreds of cases and hundreds of deaths. But the truth of the matter is that real numbers will be much bigger than that.
The World Health Organization continues to send medical supplies to the region, including tents to be used as temporary treatment centers, body bags for safe burials, and respirators to help ease symptoms.
The current Ebola outbreak in the DRC is quite bad. It's grave. WHO is ramping up with support of all humanitarian partners, and we need all the support that we can get.
The outbreak has been described as a perfect storm. Traditionally, the sick first turn to traditional healers, not qualified doctors. At funerals, mourners often touch the deceased, which can spread the virus. Political conflict and unrest, not to mention how rare the variant is, with no vaccine or treatment on the shelf, and the challenges are plain to see. This hospital in Ituri province was stormed by family members trying to retrieve the bodies of their deceased loved ones. But they haven't put off this Belgian doctor.
First thing we're going to do is to support diagnosis, and the second thing is that we're going to really, as soon as possible and as quickly as humanly possible, set up a clinical trial to test new drugs.
Acting with caution, India and the African Union have postponed a summit due to take place next week in New Delhi. Meanwhile, the excitement of taking part in the World Cup has been tempered, with the DRC team having to cancel a training camp and a public send-off in the capital, Kinshasa. This latest outbreak is testing the preparedness and resilience in a country that has battled Ebola for decades, but not quite to this extent. Shadia Edwards-Dashti, TRT World.